Dance. Jack and Jill went up the hill to catch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jill came tumbling high. Then up and down and on his turn. Tried to see what came on. He came into the park, eating bread and honey. The maidens in the garden, hanging out the clothes. When down came a blackbird. A blackbird ba yun? Down came a blackbird? Dance, Fonzie. Fonzie, dance. Again. Again, dance, Fonzie, like that. No. Dance, Fonzie. Wow. Polly, put the kettle on. Polly, put the kettle on. Dali. All happy. Suki, take it off again.